Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Dude. Hey. Out of here.
This is the one I wanted.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
People are so annoying. Why the hell are you gonna get
I know.
over when
Get
there's
out of
people
here.
in the lane?
Counterpoint, then they lose more ground and more leverage, and then it becomes more onerous. Every single time. That is the true trick to art of the deal, is having it, it's a noose before you realize you put it around your neck.
Jesus fuck.
I chose to activate Byline on the
Tabarnak, qu'est-ce que tu fais là? C'est des idiots, man. Hey, sacrement, man.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! Whoa.
What? What do you do?
The hell, dude?
What do you do?
I get the sense that it's a long. I get the sense that you might really love her. Be a minute, the sex is action, but you know more is the karma that's in the damn. You was out of weeks, you was.
This happened on my way to work. I am very thankful I have a dash cam. I mean, the video footage speaks for itself. It was an awful, awful morning out there. The driver did come to me. He said he hit a puddle. He then hit me, and you could see what happened to him.
He's having a lot of trouble getting around. A lot of health problems right now. Ooh!
We just get hit.
Right there. That car did.
You gonna pull over for the police?
No, I'm gonna give this guy my number.
Save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.